Nice shaving bowl here. I just did a recent unboxing of a Gillette Fat Boy. I'm going to leave that down in the description along with my Instagram. I'm there more active than I am on YouTube. What do you guys think of this bowl? I will also link the link down in the description. And tell me what you think. What is your favorite shaving bowl? What is your favorite shaving mug? What do you guys like to use for wet shaving? Please let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys very much and have a wonderful